Hey everyone, it's time to boot up the Merlyn Symphony Classroom device for the first time. I've got my setup checklist. It says connect the HDMI output of Symphony Classroom device to your display or projector. Okay, so I've got HDMI hooked up to my monitor. So I'm gonna go HDMI out. Connect your computer to the HDMI 1 input on your Symphony Classroom device. So I'm going HDMI on here, and I'm going HDMI 1 there, okay? Connect to power and switch the device on, okay? Power supply. Okay, I plugged it in and a green light has come on top of the device. I see the Ethernet port is also lit up on the back. So I've got power coursing to the device. Okay, next step, remove the battery tab, remote control, remove the battery tab from inside the remote. Okay, good to go. Let's see, let me turn my monitor on. There we go. See what my inputs are. Oh, there we go. Press and hold these two buttons until the blue light flashes, then release. Okay. Please wait while the remote pairs. Press this button to turn on the air mouse. Okay, I've got an air mouse now on the screen, then click next. Let's get you connected. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Okay, let's choose my Wi-Fi network. Let's go with Tonks and Lupin. That's their strongest one, and that's mine. So let's put in my password. Let's see if I can remember what it is. I have to change my password after this. Okay, good to go. I'm gonna hit join. So you can see it's thinking here. Okay, great, you're connected. Connected via Wi-Fi. I'm gonna hit next. Put in my zip code. Okay, I see I have time is 9:25, temperature outside, the date is correct, set your location, it's good to go, hit next. Location is set, and now I can see I have Wi-Fi connected here. I'm gonna read through the terms and agreements. So here's the customer agreement. Okay, I work for the company, so I'm accepting. And it says your device is up to date, and now it's automatically restarting the device. Okay, so that's going to come back up in a sec. The dogs are feeling left out. Okay, so the device is restarting. Let me hook this up while it's rebooting. All right, looks like we are good to go here doing the reboot process. Next things on my checklist are for the teacher's computer. Okay, let me wake up my computer here. Okay, and on the teacher computer, it says download the Merlyn Mind desktop app. Okay, let's see here. Okay, it's updating the audio service. Looks like we have some updates here to run through the system. So I'm gonna let it reboot a few times, make sure I'm the right build. But so far so good. I've got a screen coming up. It connected to my Wi-Fi. It looks like it's getting a series of updates. So let me run it through the updates and then I'll reconvene in a second.